Let's discuss the web file upload use case. In this case, an organization has a website that it manages, and certain webmasters who are employed by that organization are interested in uploading a web app or files to the website they manage. The HTTPS upload request reaches the web proxy server, in this case, F5 Big IP. The proxy server forwards it immediately over the ICAPS protocol to Spectra Detect. Spectra Detect deconstructs the file and inspects each object for malware. Spectra Detect will then provide a verdict for the file. If the verdict is clean, the file, along with the response, gets sent to the web proxy server over the ICAPS protocol. The web proxy server will, in turn, forward the file to the website on the internet. The website and all its files, uploaded content, documents, apps, media, etc., will always remain free of any harmful content. Once the file is uploaded to the web server, a response is sent back to the web proxy server. The web proxy server relays the response back to the client, indicating the file upload was completed. If a file being uploaded contains malware and Spectra Detect verdict indicates the file is malicious, Spectra Detect will block and quarantine the malware file, and a customizable block page is sent back to the client indicating that the file is blocked due to malicious content, with instructions and the next steps. The malicious file will never be uploaded to the web server. The IT team and SOC teams are alerted through EDR integrations. Let's see a demo of a file being uploaded to a web server. The first file, document.txt, is goodware, and Spectra Detect will allow the upload to proceed. The second file will be uploaded next to the web server. The second file, innocent.exe, is an executable. Spectra Detect deconstructed it and found embedded malware. It will be blocking from uploading to the web server, and a customizable web page will be sent back to the client explaining why it was blocked. The SOC team and IT team with admin rights to Spectra Detect can log in and examine any malicious files blocked in this demo. It was an innocent exe file. The SOC team can securely transfer the file to ReversingLabs Spectra Analyze for deeper static and dynamic analysis as necessary. Every file moving in or out of your organization is a potential threat vector. Together, F5 and ReversingLabs applies zero-day malware detection to every transfer, validating over 4,800 file types, unpacking complex files up to 100 gigabytes in size, and going beyond signatures to catch unknown threats in real time, with auditable results built for compliance. Get in touch to learn more about our joint offering.